Mabuhay! On today's video I'm going to try the Sinigang, and it's from the Philippines. It's a traditional soup. It comes in different formats, always accompanied by rice. The one I'm going to try today is Sinigang Labuyo. That means pork sinigang. You can have it in a different format. Alright guys, there's my soup, so let's get on with it. This is spicy sinigang. It has two types of chilies in there. It has Thai chili, and it also has the traditional Filipino chili, which is Siling Labuyo. I think I've said that correctly. Let's try the soup, the sauce first. Oh yeah, I can feel the spice. This is the pork. The Filipino chili is slightly more spicy than the red chilies we get in, well, they get in Thailand. On the Scoville scale, it's about, I think it's 100,000. I do love the soup. This is perfect when it gets to the monsoon season, which is often a comfort food time in the Philippines. It's really warming. Warms the back of your throat. Doesn't burn the lips. It does warm the back of the throat. As I said, it's delicious in the rainy season, and it keeps you nice and warm. It tastes sour, then it tastes of the tamarind, which is often accompanied with this. You can have it with fish, or in this situation I've had it with pork. Right. Let's see. That's the wrap. Yeah, it's delicious. It's delicious. I really like the soup. It's spicy, but it's not overly spicy. But on the Scovilles, it's more than the red chili from Thailand, which I was surprised, because when you think of Filipino food, you don't really think of it as spicy. But they have chilies that are quite small, but apparently the smaller the chili, the more spicy they are, which is unusual. This is the chili that's been used to spice it up. The question is, what does it taste like on its own?
Spicy.
Well, can't really smell the chili because it's been soaked in the sinigang soup. It's not overpowering. It has a fruity sweetness to it. Okay, and as I'm talking, the heat's slowly building, but it's not as hot as the ghost pepper or anything like that. Nowhere near. But yeah, it's got a spiciness to it. As you can see here in the background, that's my wife. She's enjoying her food also. So I'm going to join my wife and keep eating. The sauce, the liquid, is very delicious. It's really warming, especially where I am in England. It's getting near winter now, so you need something to warm you up, and this is perfect for this. Wow, that really is delicious. Alright guys, give me a like, subscribe if you want to be part of the My Luck Buy community. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and until the next time, no limits, no boundaries. Alright guys, Ingat Ka.